Hello everyone, good morning dear students. In the previous class, we all discussed about the three-dimensional figures. In that, cube and cuboid. Already we discussed in the previous class, that is cube and cuboid. See, the name of the 3D figure, that one cube means figure. How it is like? That is cube. Okay, like that one. See, now I will draw here. In the previous class, we discussed about this one. That is cube. Okay. So, number of faces in the cube, total 6. How many faces? 6. Cube. Number of faces in the cube, that is 6. And properties means the cube, the shape of the or face of each cube is like, looks like what? Square. What is that? Square. That is, means it is made up of 6 squares. The cube is made up of 6 squares. That is a property of cube. Number of edges. Number of edges. Total how many edges? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total edges 12. How many edges cube have? 12. And number of vertices 8. Number of vertices 8. We already discussed about the figure that is cube. And also one more we discussed in the previous class, that is cuboid. See, the cuboid, that is also 3D shape figure. The figure looks like this. A rectangle, one more rectangle, and this is cuboid. Okay. See, already we discussed in the previous class. Now I am just recalling this one, and we will go through the another figure, that is cylinder and one more cone. Okay. First, we will see about the cuboid. Okay, that is the name of the figure, that is cuboid, and figure already I drawn there. And number of faces, that is also 6 faces. The cuboid contains how many faces? 6 faces. Properties: 4 rectangle, 2 squares. So the cuboid made up of 4 rectangle and 2 squares. Number of edges as usual 12, and number of vertices as like a cube, that is 8. So today in this class, dear students, I am going to explain or I am going to show about the 3D shape, one more 3D shape, that is about cylinder, and another one, that is cone. Okay, now we will see discuss about the cylinder. See, this is the figure of that cylinder. First you should write the name of that figure. What is this? Name of the figure, that is SYLINDER, cylinder. SYLINDER, cylinder. The figure cylinder like this. This is cylinder. See, name of the third figure, that is cylinder. This is the figure of that 3D shaped object. Number of faces. See, if the cylindrical figure contains 1 curved face, 2 circular faces. Yes or no? So that is about number of faces. Total, how many faces it contains? That is 3. And properties, already I told the properties. the bases. See, one curved face is there, that is like this, round shape. The cylinder is like this, no? So that one curved surface. Okay, and one more, that is another property, one more property, that is two circular bases. The cylinder contains two circular bases. And the next one, that is the figure of that cylinder, number of edges. Here the figure is the number of edges. There is no any edges in this figure, that is cylinder. So we put dash for that. Number of vertices also not there. So we should put dash for that also. Okay. So this is all about the cylinder. What is that? Cylinder. See, again I am explaining about the cylinder. See, the third 3D shape figure, that is cylinder, SY, LI, NDER, cylinder. So this is the figure of cylinder. Number of faces, the cylinder, that is 3 faces. One curved surface and two circular base surface. Properties of the cylinder, that is one curved surface and two circular bases. Number of edges, there is no any edges and also there is no any vertices. Okay, so now we discuss about the fourth figure, that is cone. What is that? Cone. C-O-N-E, cone. The figure of the cone is like this. Birthday cone or ice cream cone, you all already seen about that one, cone. Yes or no? About the cone. Number of faces, only 2. One is curved face, another one is circular, one base. So total how many? Total 2. Total 2 faces. See, one is curved, another one is circular base. Total how many faces? 2 faces. Properties: one curved face, another one is what? Circular face, another one is circular base. So in the cone, one curved face, another one is circular base. Number of edges, no edges. So put dash. Number of edges, there is no edges. And number of vertices, that is 1. How many vertices? 1. See dear students, again I am explaining about the cylindrical as well as cone. See, cylinder, SY-LI-N-D-E-R. This is the figure of cylinder. Number of faces, that is 3 faces cylinder contains. And properties of the cylinder, one, that is one curve, that is one curved face, and below and upper side one circular bases. That is number of edges, there is no any edges in the circular cylinder, and number of vertices also not. Okay. And the fourth figure, that is about cone. C-O-N-E. C-O-N-E. This is the figure of cone. Number of faces 2. Yes or no? This is 1 and below 1. One is curved face, another one is circular base. Number of edges, there is no any edges, and number of vertices, one vertex is there, that is this one, cone. Okay, this is about cylinder and cone. Now we will see the next one, what is there. See, the next concept about front view, elevation, front view or elevation, and side view and plane or top view. So when we are seeing the 3D shaped objects, we will see the 3 sides, that is front view, side view and elevation also. So what we are seeing, so this is front view. Okay, so if we are seeing this one by standing this side or this side, that is side view. And also if we see from the top of that object, that is top view or plane view. So the first one, see front view, where we see the object from front. This is where we see object from front. When we see object from front, so when we are seeing the object from the front side means direct, like this. So this is object position. So I am seeing this one directly, that is front side, front view, elevation. So when we see the object from front, that one we call it as front view or elevation. Okay. And the next one, that is side view. Side view means when we see the object from left or right, left or right side. So this is, we call it as side view or what? That is, we call it as side view. Left side, we will see left side, otherwise right side. So side view means when we see the object from left or right side. Third one, plane or top view. Plane or top view. That is when we see the object, when we see the object from top. So if we are seeing the object from the top of that object, that means we call it as top view or plane view. So dear students, again I am explaining, see here. There are three types of views are there. One is front view, side view and plane or top view. Front view also we call it as elevation. Okay. When we see object from front, that is front view or elevation. We call it as elevation or front view. And the second one, that is side view. When we see the object from left or right side of that object. Okay. See here, object is main. If I am seeing this one directly front view, that is front view. Okay. If I am standing this side, I am seeing this one means this is left side and right side. It was okay. So like that, this one is second one, that is side view. Okay. And the third one, that is plane or top view. When we see the object from top of, when we are seeing the object from the top of that object, that is top view. Yes or no? So that one we call it as plane or top view. Now dear students, open page number 107. All of you open page number 107. See here what they give. So the first picture, that is a bus. S is there. Yes or no? In the bus, that one is side view. Yes or no? Side view. That is second one, side view. Left side or right side. What I explained that point, second point, that is side view. And the B, see in the B, that is the figure front view. Yes or no? Bus front view, that one. Seat one, that is back side of the bus, that is also front view. Yes or no? Direct, that is also front view of that bus. And the D one, that is also side view of that bus. And E one, top of that bus, that is plain view or top view. Now see, the first one, that is side view, second one front, third one front, fourth one side, last one top. So it means A and D both are side views, and B and C both are front view, and the last eighth one, that is top view of that object. Yes or no? Okay. Now we will discuss about this one on the basis of front view, side view and top view. See, now we discuss about the name of the shapes, that is in the elevation or side view and plane view, how they look. We will see now. See the first figure, that is name of the shape. What they gave? Name of the shape, that is first one cube, CUBE. How the diagram of the cube is like this. The diagram of the cube. So this is cube. Already we discussed cubes contains how many faces? 6. Yes or no? And number of vertices? 8. Number of edges? 12. Yes or no? So elevation means, so already I told elevation means front view. How we looks, that is the cube, that is just like square. Yes or no? The cube looks like square. The elevation part, that is like square. The side view of that cube, that is also looks like square. That is also looks like what? Square. That is also looks like square. And the plane, that is the top of that what? Cube. If we are seeing the top of that cube, that is also look like square. That is also looks like what? Square. So this is the first figure, that is cube. The name of the shape, that is cube, and figure in 3D, 2D, that is also cube, and elevation like square, and side view, that is also cube, square, and top of that object also looks like square. Okay. Now we will see the second figure. What is that? Second one, that is cuboid. 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 The second one, that is cuboid. How the figure now see with the help of two rectangle. With the help of two rectangle, we will draw the cuboid. So this is cuboid. Okay, this is cuboid. The elevation, when we are seeing that one front view, that one is looks like a rectangle. What is that? A rectangle. This is the elevation or front view of the cuboid. Okay. And side view, when we are seeing side of this one, the side of that cube, what we will get, that is the small size of that one, that is like square. Like what? Square. The side view, that one is square. And also cube. That is, cube looks like square, and side view also square, and the top of that cube is also square. Looks like square. And the second one, that is cuboid. Cuboid. This is the figure of cuboid, and elevation. The top, that is front view, that is like what? Rectangle. And the side view, that is like a square, and the plane, the top of that object, that is the cuboid, looks like rectangle. This is about cube and cuboid. Now we will see the remaining two 3D shapes. Next one figure, that is third one, cylinder. 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 The name of the 3D shape, that is cylinder, and figure. The cylinder figure like this. This is cylindrical. Okay. And elevation means front view of the cylinder is like rectangle shape. Like which shape? Rectangle shape. This is like elevation, the front view of that cylinder. And the side view of the cylinder is also looks like rectangle. Also looks like which shape? Rectangle shape. So this is also the shape of rectangle. And the plane view means top of that cylinder. If we are seeing that object, it looks like circle. What is that? It looks like circle. So this is about the cylinder. This is about the cylinder. See, the name of the shape, that is cylinder, cylinder. Figure of 3D in 2D, that is this one. That is cylindrical. The elevation like this, that is rectangle. The side view of the cylinder looks like rectangle, and the plane or top view of that cylinder looks like circle. Now we will discuss about the one more 3D shape, that is cone. What is that? Cone. What is the spelling of cone, dears? C-O-N-E. This is the spelling of cone. The figure of cone is like this. Okay, this one is cone. So elevation means that is the front view of the cone looks like triangle. Looks like what? Triangle. The elevation of that cone looks like triangle. The side view of the cone looks like triangle only. The side view of the what? Cone is also looks like cone. And the plane means top. Top is not possible to see that on only one point. And the base of that, this one cone is also looks like circle. The top view of that cone looks like circle. So this is about the cone. So this is also looks like what? Triangle. Okay. So here cylinder and cone. Cylinder. This is the figure of 3D in 2D, and this is elevation, and that is the side view of that what cylinder figure, and the plane view of that cylinder figure. And the cone, this is the figure of cone, and these two are the front and side view of that cone, and that one is plane or top view of that cone. Okay, now we will see now all of you open in your textbook page number 107. Page number 107. See. In the page number 107, here the first one cube is there. See the figure, yellow color. First one figure of 3D in 2D. And elevation and side view and plane. Cuboid. Blue color figure for 3D in 2D, and elevation and side view and plane. Cylinder. Yellow color. See this one here, it's there. And elevation, that is looks like a rectangle, and side view also rectangle, and the plane, that is circle. Cone. The first one is triangle, that is elevation or front view, and side view also triangle, and the plane, that is circle. Okay, now we will see in the next one. Now see in the page number 108. Okay, in the page number 108, example, they gave example. See here, A, B, C. When constructing or building, that is about first what they will plan, that is front view, side view and top view, that is a plane view. Okay, so now see here, they give some more example for the given below. Suman, Peter, and now I am reading here, keep your finger properly. See here, Suman, Peter and Irshad constructed a model bridge from matchboxes. With the help of matchboxes, Suman and Peter and Irshad planned to what? Constructed the bridge. See in the A figure, that is with the help of matchbox, Suman, Peter and Irshad constructed the bridge. In the first one, see, they used seven matchboxes. Yes or no? A Peter drew the elevation picture. That is the Peter drew that one elevation picture, means front view of that bridge. It looks like A figure. How it is? Looks like A figure. And the B one, Suman drew the picture of side view. The side view of that bridge looks like B picture. What they gave in the textbook, B one, that is side view of that one. Irshad drew the picture of plane, means top of the bridge. That one they gave in the C figure. Okay, now see the third one. Observe the different view of the steps. Here they give steps. The first one, that is steps. Yes or no? See here, 1, 2, 3. We will move up like this. And this is side view of that step. Side view of that steps. It looks like B. In the figure B, what they give, it looks like that. And the third one, that is top view or plane view of that steps. It looks like seat figure. First one, front view or elevation. Second one, side view. Third one, that is top view. Okay, this is about the page number 108. Okay, dear students, now tomorrow we will discuss about exercise 9.1. In the next class we will discuss about the exercise 9.1 and also what they gave remaining question for us. We will see. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Your exams are near, so be prepared well. And also read the tables to 30 every day. It's a mandatory to all the students. Thank you. Have a good day.